Hello friends, this is a mini tripod, a flexible tripod that of the OEM brand that comes with one of those lights, round lights for selfies and so on. This tripod has a mechanism here, a screw that is supposed to, you're supposed to turn it and hold the camera in place so it doesn't move, either horizontal, vertical, or halfway. It's supposed to stay fixed there. But the thread of this thing, it breaks up very easily. I had it just a few months and it's already broken. It won't tighten enough to keep the camera in a position. The camera tends to fall over. So I decided to take it apart, and I'm going to show you now how you can take it apart and fix it, because probably this problem you had it also. And if you haven't had that problem yet, it will come up soon, because all these things are the same. So let's go see the video. Okay folks, that's it. I changed the bolt for a similar one with a square nut about the same size of the original nut, and with that I fixed it and it's completely firm there. It won't move with a camera on it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it, leave your comments if you want, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.